Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm gonna try to make a small gate for a friend of mine. He was trying to find the right size in the local stores and he couldn't get nothing, so I'm gonna try to make it for him and I hope he's gonna like it. So stay tuned and keep watching. So let's get started. Let's cut everything to size. I have this old Johnson which needed some adjustments, and I did my best, but it still was a little bit off. And it's cleanup time too. Everything needs to be cleaned. They're really nice, so the weld's looking good. Yeah, this is the part where I saw that no matter how hard I tried to adjust that old Johnson, it was still off. And I used the Harbor Freight OmniPro welder 220, and for some reason I had a hard time to adjust. I don't know, is it because that day was really cold, or I never had the same problems before. Usually the settings that are in there already, they might need just a little bit tweaking, but on that day I don't know what happened, but it took me a while to adjust it. Right here everything is flowing nicely and I'm just trying to fill in the gaps. I also have this table from Harbor Freight. That's the best for a startup I could get, but it's too small for this size of a project. I don't know, it's flimsy, and for something smaller maybe, but for this size, not really. It's not that good, but better than nothing. But I gotta say that I like the welder, really. It's much better than the one I had before. I had an old Clark welder, like 130 amps. It was a mess to weld with it. I couldn't adjust the wire. Even when you adjusted it, it would start slipping, and I don't know, I just couldn't get nice welds like I do with this one. I know it's much more expensive, but finally I got it, and I also bought myself the plasma cutter Cut 40 from Home Depot. Which is also nice to have. I'm still learning how to. I might make some videos on it too. I'm still learning how to cut it and how to use the plasma cutter too. On this table, I don't know, doesn't matter how hard I try to adjust, it still moved everything a little bit. The video got damaged and I didn't manage to get the part where I did the middle cuts here, but I basically made a spacer 3/8, put them in between and welded those. Here I'm welding some hinges, which I think I might have picked a little bit too thin, but that's the best I could find. The gate is not really that heavy, so I hope it's gonna hold up very good. So there is a lot of tacking here, but I think it's mostly because the material thickness was a little bit off between the hinges and the square tubing. And here I think I made the mistake. I tacked the wrong side of the hinge. So I had to grind some off and then tack it back. No, it's a really small gate, but still took me like 2-3 days to finish and paint everything in. But it's not bad at all for my first project. Usually I was before just doing small things like here I'm trying to adjust putting the spacer so the size of the door is gonna be exact to match for the lock, gate lock. I just would advise everybody, just measure a lot of times before you make a mistake. Here's the finished product. The lily in the middle, that's something I cut out with the plasma cutter. It's not bad for a first cut. This is the finished installed product. I don't know, I like it and I hope the guy's gonna like it and it's gonna hold up for a lot of years for him. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.